Snapchat just made a huge move to win over Gen Z. They've acquired Saturn, the ultimate social calendar app for students. Want to know how this changes the game? Keep watching. Hey Snapchat fans, big news just dropped. Snapchat has acquired Saturn, a social calendar app built for high school and college students. This is all about boosting Snapchat's Gen Z appeal, and we've got the details. Let's dive in. Saturn isn't your average calendar app. It's designed specifically for high school and college students, helping them plan their schedules, stay connected with friends, and organize their lives in a fun, social way. Here's the kicker. 80% of US high school students are already using it. That's a massive community of young users, and Snapchat saw the potential to bring that energy to their platform. This acquisition is a power move for Snapchat. While the financial details are hush-hush, Snapchat's goal is clear. They want to stay the go-to app for Gen Z. By integrating Saturn's calendar expertise, Snapchat can offer new features tailored to younger users, like planning hangouts, tracking school events, or even syncing with friends' schedules. Plus, Saturn's team of about 30 employees are joining Snapchat to make this happen. Talk about a glow-up for the platform. For now, Saturn will remain a standalone app, but Snapchat's already planning to weave its features into their platform. Imagine snapping your friends to plan a study session or getting event reminders right in your Snapchat feed. This could boost user engagement and keep Snapchat ahead in the competitive social media world. It's all about keeping Gen Z. Snapchat's acquisition of Saturn is a bold step to stay relevant and give Gen Z exactly what they want: a fun, social way to plan their lives. With Saturn's features coming to Snapchat, the app is about to get even more addictive. Are you excited for Snapchat's new features? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more tech updates.